Welcome guys, I'm introducing Windows 11. You can see how we can personalize Windows 11. So right click on desktop and go to personalization, and you can see there are different options to personalize. We will personalize the theme first. You have different backgrounds. You can select the backgrounds. As you select the backgrounds, the background will change from the list. You can see there are so many backgrounds and background will change, and you can set which background you like the most. There is a dark mode also, so you can set it. Then go back, go to the next option. So you can set different themes in background, and then you can go to the colors. So you can select the list of colors as a background. You can select a theme which will set the color, background, everything for you, including the sounds and mouse cursor and all the settings. You can select whichever you want out of the list. You can have widgets in Windows 11. So you can see you have a list of widgets. You can set the sounds, set sound for playback, system sounding, recording and communication. So this is same as the Windows 10 options, but you have the same option here. You can set the status bar and the start button. You can see here Windows has given a start button and status bar. So I'll click start. So you can see you have recently added options, apps. You will have the list of pinned apps here, and down the recently added files which are given under the tab recommended. You can remove them if you don't want. You can show most used apps or recently used items in pin. You can go to taskbar. You can have the widgets in taskbar like search, task view and other widgets in the widgets menu. Now you can go down and the taskbar corner, so what things you want at the last of the window, so you can specify what things you want, and then you can go down and you can set taskbar to hide or view, as well as you can center it and left it, set it to the left. Now taskbar is at the left, you can see. So you can make it center, it will come on the center. So this is the start options. You will get different search option. Then you can just search for settings and you can change the settings. Also you have multiple windows. You can arrange your desktop using the windows. So just place your mouse pointer. I will open two windows. Maybe I'll open the third window, and I can arrange these windows. Just place the mouse button on the maximize, so you have the options for placing the windows. You can see the windows are organized, arranged itself on the desktop. So on any window On the maximize button, place your mouse for some time, 2-3 seconds, and you will get the option to arrange the windows. This is a new feature of Windows 11. You can play Android apps. Like for example, I play TikTok. For that, you go to Microsoft Store, and from there go to Amazon App Store. So you get the apps, so you can download them and install them in Windows 11. This is a new feature in Windows 11. Previously, we were not able to play Android apps in Windows. Now you can install Android apps in Windows. We'll see the more options. For example, lock screen. When you lock the screen, what the scenery or the picture you should be displayed on the screen, you can specify. You can either specify a slideshow or a picture. Select from the options, and you can specify the status for the lock screen as a calendar or other widgets, mail, weather, all those things. You can also opt for the option to show the sign-in screen, lock screen background option. So you have so many pictures, you can add more, but you have so many. So select them, any one of them, and that will be your lock screen. So you can see I have locked this one. Next is you can go for keypad, touch keypad. So you have the options to select the touch keypads, which theme you want for the touch keypad. So you have so many themes for the touch keypad. So you can see what you are using your device for: family, gaming, or education, or school, entertainment. According to that, the options are set for you. So like this, you can go for Windows 11. These are some of the features which were in Windows 11. Subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you very much.